How you are? So today we're working with Outre Wigpop. I've never ordered a wig from Wigpop before, but it's Marilee. She's 28 inches. I got her in CR wine copper. This is what she looks like. This is what she looking like. Okay. These her colors she coming in. Key features. She's a bang unit. Not much to her. Okay, now, when I first bought this wig and I first got it in the mail, I was like, I don't like it. Like, I really didn't like it. Like, it just looks so play to me. So, we're gonna try and make it look less play. I literally have on the cart for this wig. I don't know, try anything, because I don't know. But this is her. I just ransacked her. So you see, cause she two-tone. She got two different colors. It's like a red, a dark red, and like a copper. Which is why I'm like, I don't know. You know? I need to probably cut some layers in her. But she already technically has layers. Do y'all see the layers? She already has layers. So it's just like, now what? Maybe I cut this right here. Yeah, because I don't like that. And then we just gonna get out the curlers and see what we can do. Because I don't know. I'm gonna try my best to make her look like something. I'm gonna have to end up changing this shirt because this shirt it's not really going with the look of it all. Mind you, it's no part at the top. It's zero part at the top, which is fine, but like, can't nobody tell me that this don't look like a play wig. Like, this look like a wig that you give to a child to dress up in for Halloween. I should literally title this how to make your, I don't know, because I might not be successful with it. So let's not rush. But we're about to try. We're gonna see what we can do. Okay. Now, do we do like a front wave with a bump, or do we do like regular like body curls? It's low-key giving, do like a body curl. But I never used a wave. I've used one because I bought one, but like this one was free for me. No, but waves wouldn't look cute in this. It's okay. I'm gonna use you. Just not now. Real quick though, just because the stock card, and I'm gonna try and reiterate this in every video, just because the stock card says so you see where it says this right here? It says up to 400. Get a good look at that. It says up to 400. Just because it can go to 400 doesn't mean that it should. Should I cut it? Hold on, what if I? Absolutely not. Absolutely not. Okay, so as you can see, it took me a minute to figure out how to curl. Honestly, every time I try and use curlers, it just doesn't work. But every time I use a flat iron, for some reason, I can curl hair. I don't know why. That's just how the cookie crumbles. Now, my only thing is at the moment, do I leave these pins in or go ahead and take this out to see if the curls actually look good and if they actually took? Because if they didn't take, then there's no need for me to curl this side, you know what I'm saying? But at the same time, if it did take, then that means by the time I curl this side would have fell. You know what I mean? So I really don't know what to really do, but I think I might just go ahead and curl this side, yeah? I don't have enough clips though. But what I thought I did, I probably do somewhere. Hold on. I can use bobby pins, right? I ain't got no more pins like these, and I'm very low on those. But what if I do this and it turns out super cute? Then it's like, okay, it was worth it. I am burning up a little bit, but it's fine. So I decided that I'm not gonna curl this. I just don't feel like it, and it's mad hot. So here's what we're gonna do, right? Today is Wednesday. If I take these curls down and they come out all right, or they come out good, then I will come back and recurl the whole thing, because obviously these will have dropped. But it's just getting late and your girl got work in the morning, because I didn't come home and do this straight. I sat for a minute rather than starting working on my hair, because I had a little too, well, I didn't have no attitude. I just was feeling down. You know what I mean? Did I eat the curls up on a Synthetica? I believe I did. I believe I did. Now, the real test is brushing these out. But real quick, I'm going to turn on the flat iron just so I can curl this little piece right here in the front. White tooth comb. I don't even want to brush them out. Like, okay, moment of truth. Wait, no, because why did I eat? Why did I eat that though? Okay, so y'all want me to come back and do the other ones, or what? Or what? Okay, now I feel like I gotta do the other side, because now it's coming together. Now it's looking like something. It's looking like something now. I promise I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna do the other side. I promise. I promise. Pinky promise. Come on, put out your pinky. Put out your pinky. So we locked in, we locked in. We locked in for real. Now, she does get pretty tangly as I run my fingers through her. Stop being a hater. You mad at my hair for what? Is my hair pissing you off? Lemonade, alright. Lemonade, alright.
Lemonade, alright. And then
you can do your hair kind of like this, and then put like a headband on, and then do like a cute tennis. I wish I had white, but I don't. I'm gonna put this on because this matches the hair, and show y'all what I'm talking about. You can do one of these moments with it. And if you do, just make sure you got enough hair out right here in the front, so it covers up. And then just kind of move that in front, and then you can give one of these, like, oh, you can't tell me this don't eat the Boots house. Damn, move it back a little. We not worried about over here. Over here it's not even curled, so we're not worried about over there. We just worried about here. I gotta find an outfit to help make this wig look better. Honestly, it might just be the two tones, because it's so like separate. The two different tones in the hair. Here's a better depiction on my phone of it. Like, you see this, like, it's very separate. It's not even like a blend into the second color. It's just, but curling it do help it, I will say. But I am gonna come back, curl this other half, and really try to put an outfit together with it and try and make it something, very much something.
Y'all remember how the other day I was like, I don't know if I got any more of these little clips. I found the rest of them. I was like, cause I knew I had bought a big hair.
Hey girl, we back again. I told you I was gonna come back. Okay, so first and foremost, I went to the Dollar Tree. And when I went to the Dollar Tree, because as y'all know, I was talking about the headband, right? So when I went to Dollar Tree, they didn't have a headband, right? But my mother had one. And I didn't ask for this until after I went to Dollar Tree and spent money. But I only spent $3. I got the dry shampoo, and I got a hat, and I got a scarf. Why did I get a hat and a scarf when I went for a headband? You may ask. Oh, this is for like a ponytail. This hat is for like a ponytail. It's actually like supposed to be like a gift because it got like to and from. But as you can see, this was $1.25. $1.25. Okay. What we finna do this is cut it. We finna cut it. Okay? And make it into a headband. Instead of a hat, it's gonna be a headband. Okay? First, we gonna try on the outfit. We gonna put on the wig and we gonna try on the outfit to see if the outfit will really go or not. Okay? I'm gonna sit you right here. I'm gonna put on my outfit. And I'm gonna be right back. Okay? Voila. Voila. Headband. Don't know what this can be. Okay, so you can't see. For real, hold on. Dress wasn't long and you have braces. Okay. You can't really see the fit, so hold on. I'm gonna move you lower. Okay. Hopefully that light helped. Okay. I'm gonna squat a little bit so you can see. Right? And it was either between, hold on. It was between this purse or this purse. This purse with all the colors in it, or this one. And I kind of was feeling this one. I don't know. I'm gonna ask my madre. I put this side back obviously because it's straight, and if I put that side back, this is how it looks straight. It gives nothing. So I brought this side forward. These are the curls from yesterday that dropped, by the way. But like, honestly, this fit is not bad. Literally, I just need to add a full face. Just do a cute little full face. Let's call my mom and get her opinion. Even though she kind of already came in here and saw me. But like, I need to ask her how she feels about the hair with the outfit. Does she think the outfit flows? Does she think the headband looks cute with the outfit? And does she like this purse or that purse? We gonna get her. That's my purse. I don't know you. That's my purse. I don't purse you would have chosen, which one you think looks good with the outfit, and then after you comment down below which one you would have chose, go to my Instagram. And see what purse I chose. Because my mom thinks the colorful one looks better, and I think the green one looks better. But sometimes mama knows best, so putting on the wig will fix everything. Let's take the curls out. I'm gonna fast forward all this. Floating away. Find something worth saving. It's all for the taking. I always say I'll be better on Saturn. None of this matters. Dreaming of Saturn. I'll be better on Saturn. None of this matters. Dreaming of Saturn. If karma's really real, how am I still here? Just seems so unfair. I could be wrong though. If there's a point. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you go over to Instagram and check out the pictures I took, girl. Because some of them actually came out super, super cute. And shouts out to my mom for being my camera girl. Well, my camera woman, period. Yeah. And make sure you subscribe, like, and comment what other kind of videos you want to see from me. You know, or comment down a wig. Matter of fact, comment down a wig you want me to review or you want me to do. Okay? I really look bald. Like, bald. Like, pull it back, bald.